Hey there, ever wondered how to generate income by selling AI-generated art? Well, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating captivating AI art and turning it into a lucrative venture. Stick around as I share valuable insights, tips, and a step-by-step guide on creating, upscaling, and monetizing AI art. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or just curious about the world of AI creativity, this video is packed with actionable information. Let's dive in. 1. Use generative AI tools to create unique and visually appealing artwork. I often leverage Midjourney bot inside Discord for generating these images. 2. Identify themes that I believe will be popular and sell well. To do this, I check insights on Adobe Stock to see what types of images are currently top sellers. 3. Create a contributor account on the stock photo platform where you plan to sell your AI-generated art, and in my case, it's Adobe Stock. 4. Make sure to familiarize myself with the terms of service and guidelines of the stock photo platform, especially those related to generative art. I ensure my work complies with all the rules and restrictions. 5. Use tools like Topaz Photo from Gigapixel to upscale the generated images, meeting the required file size and resolution standards. 6. I personally crop the images to remove any borders or unwanted elements. This step ensures a professional and polished look. 8. Upload the upscaled and optimized images to the stock photo platform, providing the necessary details, including title, category, description, and keywords. 9. Patiently wait for the stock platform to review and approve my submissions, understanding that this process typically takes a few days. 10. Keep a close eye on insights and bestsellers on the stock platform to understand current market trends. This information guides me in creating more relevant and marketable AI-generated art. 11. Explore the option of using services like Wirestock, allowing me to upload my images to multiple stock photo sites simultaneously. This saves me time and potentially increases my reach. 12. Continuously generate new AI art based on insights and trends, regularly updating my portfolio to stay relevant in the market. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this journey into the world of AI-generated art inspiring and informative. Remember, turning your creativity into income is within reach, especially with platforms like Adobe Stock. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on leveraging AI for creativity and income, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Your support means the world to me. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from this amazing community. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one.